what is sucrose? And where is it stored?
Sucrose? Okay, when two glucose molecule combine together, it converts in the form of sucrose. Okay, like two glucose molecule combine to form sucrose.
Okay.
Yes.
And like,
So it is like
where is it
more
stored?
Okay, it is like more stable form of glucose. Glucose is a bit reactive. So if I want to transport glucose from one part of plant to another part of plant, so glucose, there is a much more chance that glucose will react on its way. Okay, like if I'm transporting glucose from root to stem, so there is a chance that glucose will break down in the whole process. So glucose is converted into sucrose, which is more stable form. Okay, now which is the more stable form? So glucose is converted into sucrose for the transport process. It's like a packing process. If I'm transporting a fragile material from one place to another, there's a chance that the fragile material will break. So I will use some packing of it, and when that fragile material will reach its destination, then it will be unpacked. So sucrose is like that thing which is a less reactive than glucose, and when it is transported to the particular when it is transported to a particular place, it is broken down again into glucose.
Okay, got it. Thank you so much.
Yes, it is present mainly, you have asked me location, so it is present in the phloem of plants.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Phloem is a vessel, right?
Yes, these are the tissues.
The tissues, okay.
Yes.
And Miss, xylem vessel is used for like the transportation of water and nutrients from the soil. And is it like, is it one of the vascular bundles?
Yes, exactly.
So I'm right.
Yes, you are right. Xylem and phloem. These are all. Phloem is used for transport of food, and xylem is used for transport of water.
Okay, got it. So these are the vascular bundles.
Yes, exactly.
Okay, I got it. Thank you so much.